Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi, it's JansCrazyLife. Happy, what's today? Wednesday? Happy Wednesday, everyone. So I am doing a project share of my altered Halloween book. And so for the most part, it's done. It's super chunky, and I just want to share it with y'all. So my book is based off of, the majority is jack-o'-lanterns because of the fabric, and it's this beautiful black and white fabric I got last year. I haven't luckily had to buy anything this year for Halloween, but all right. So I have two bookmarks that are at the top and they come through the bottom, and that's the same as what I used for the closure. And what I did is I just glued it down on the back spine all the way around and used art glitter glue, and it stayed really well, and then that becomes part of the closure. And then it says Happy Halloween and has these wooden pieces and jack-o'-lanterns. So when you untie it, it has so I put this little space right here so the person can write like the year, their name, whatever they choose, and there is a double pocket. So in this double pocket there is a journaling card, this cute little house, and I did this really pretty, I hope that you guys can see, let me zoom in, swirly kind of thing, and it reminded me of the top of the jack-o'-lanterns kind of. And so I also sewed some tags that the person can write on or whatever with the fabric that are kind of throughout. So on the first page, well, it's the cover page, I had this beautiful paper and I put it in here, and I didn't do anything else to it because I think it's so pretty. And the person can put whatever, write whatever, glue, and I just wanted to leave besides the paper there. Because you know how like when you open a book sometimes first page has beautiful paper, but that's what that is. And then on this first page, and it's kind of, they're all kind of theme based kind of. So this one is, it says they're trick-or-treating, and it has the houses. So it says check in here, reservations, check out never. And this is a tuck spot. And then I put this little journaling card. Oh, let me cut the string. All right. So it has this cute little journaling spot that I made, and they can write with, she's so adorable, and it goes in here. And then I also put this cute little journaling card on in front. So throughout the book, I decided to get some recipe cards that were Halloween, and I typed out different recipes, and this one says candy corn cookies. And this one took 2 recipe cards because there's a lot to it. And then I did put a picture of what the recipe looks like in the end. And I put that throughout because I thought that would be a cute touch. On this side there's a tuck spot, and it says Dead and Breakfast Inn. And so on the next page, this has like different witch brew recipes. So cute. And I ended up adding this cat here because I thought it was kind of cute with it. And over here in this bottle, I left it open on the side right here for a tuck spot and put some more of those recipe cards. I'm not completely done because I still have my pockets to put stuff in, and I'm kind of going to decide which pockets I'm going to open and which I'm going to stuff. And when I put stuff in there, it's just going to be journaling cards. So that's the only part that I haven't done yet, but okay, so this page is, let me take the journaling stuff out. So this one is really cute, and if we turn it this way, it says rest in peace. And I took the scrap from this paper and sewed it to the belly band and put some jack-o'-lanterns behind it, and so it's a belly band with another recipe card. And so I put that in here, and on this side it says wake up and smell the coffin. And then there's a tip-in that says the best and internal rest to go with the coffin. I thought that was really cute. And then on this page, it's about different brews and potions. And so it says fly ointment 100% to keep evil away. And then it has different ones, fairy dust. And then there's this cute little pocket up here where you can tuck in. And then this is a recipe, but on the side it opens as a tuck spot. And there's a tag up here. And then on this page, it's kind of like spidered base. So it says Happy Halloween and has a spider. And there's a bunch of sewing. And up here it says Webster. Isn't that cute? And then there's this little bitty journaling card that is a spider. And then on this page, it has, I kind of made them kind of go together. And if you notice, this has like the spider web. So this is a double pocket. Also, it has a journaling spot. So in the pockets are these cute little recipe potion cards. And then you can journal still on here. You're able to write on it. And then on these pockets to the back are tuck spots or pockets. And I put those little cards in there. And then on this one, it says Creep It Real. And then, so I had a die cut that cut a window. And so what I did was kept this middle part, attached it with a brad. And it slides like this. And I probably need to, it looks like it's coming, but I'll fix that. Okay, so it slides like this, and then on this page, it has a pocket here, and then I put one of those fabric tags, and then here is a tuck spot down here, and it says Trick or Treat Yourself. And then this page is Glow Away. It's so cute, and it's just a pocket with another recipe card. And the recipes are really cute. This is called Cheesy Bones. And so that is a pocket. And then right here it says Come and Lay Your Weary Bones to Rest. And there's a pocket with a cute little fabric tag. And then there is my first bookmark, which can be moved around. And then on my live, I showed how I made this, and I decided to stick it in here. It says Totally Witchin', and I put that little tag. So this could be a journaling spot as well. You could use different colors, pink, bright colors, yellow. And then over here is a belly band with this cute little witch that looks like a candy corn. And here is a recipe card behind her. And that belly band. And then on this page, it says Trick or Treat, and that's a tuck spot. And then over here, it just has a pocket, and I put this, it says Eat, Drink, and Be Scary. And there. And okay, next page is this one, and it has these cute little jack-o'-lanterns. And then it says To Do, and then when you open it up, there's a spider with the jack-o'-lantern, because there's spiders over here. Spider webs, rather. And then on this page, I left this blank because I figured someone could stick something in there. Journaling spots. And then look how cute she is. It's so funny when I was doing these. Elijah was like, there's your scary friend. And there is another recipe card. It's called Sludgy Chocolate Martinis. And then on this page has another recipe card, but on here there's a text spot, a place to write stuff. So you could take all these out, put a picture, do whatever. And then on this page there's a double pocket. So it says Don't Let the Bed Bugs Bite. But it has a journaling card here, and then it has a fabric tag. It says Hocus Pocus. And then here is another bookmark. And then on this page, there's a double pocket. And what I did was I put blank recipe cards so the recipient can put their own recipes or uses a journal. They don't necessarily have to be recipes. They could journal on them, put pictures, do whatever. And it's got a double pocket. And so there are more cards back there. So then on this page, it's just kind of simple. It has a journaling spot. It says Boo, and then it says I'm just here for the booze. It's so cute. And then on this page, there is a tuck spot, and another recipe card. And then there is this page. This is Be Spooky, and it goes, "You say witch like it's a bad thing." And this cute witch with a jack-o'-lantern. And then this page is my last page, but it's super cute. And so what there is there's a belly band here where the tag goes through. And then back here is a belly band as well. And then on this page, so there is a pocket in the front, but back here is a 3-slide belly band. So let me show you what I mean by the 3-slide. So there's this cute little pocket belly band, and there's a pocket down here. So the first page goes all the way in the back. We'll open that. And then the second page is, they're all cut smaller. So this page goes through this one, and then you can kind of see it come down more. And then the third one goes through this top one through the pocket. And I thought that was super cool. And then I just put this journaling card I made and this other one in the pocket. And here is my last page. And then I make sure that you guys put somewhere in the book who made the book, and I put handmade by JansCrazyLife. And I actually, while I'm thinking about it, I'm gonna write the year 2018, because I'm sure we'll do more of these swaps again. And so I just put that on the back. You can glue paper to your fabric. It does perfect. And the back is kind of just like that. And it's a chunky little book. So cute. And I have some other stuff that I'm going to send in an envelope with it, and some other goodies that'll be kind of a surprise for the person that gets it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this flip through of my Halloween altered book. If you guys have any questions, put it in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Oh, and there's still time if you want to join the swap. I think that we have I'll have the video linked now in the iCard as well as below if you want to join. But remember, guys, it needs to be, I would recommend mailing these out no later than probably the 9th or the 10th of September, so they get here in time. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do.